Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to see how we can register for GoogieHost paid hosting. Let's get started. First, go to the official GoogieHost website. On the homepage, click on the paid hosting option, then click on the Claim Deal button. You will be redirected directly to the paid hosting plans page. Here you will see the list of available GoogieHost paid hosting plans. Select a plan according to your website requirements such as storage, bandwidth, performance, etc. Click on Order Now under the selected plan. Now you will be asked to fill in the required details, such as email address, phone number, domain name. You must provide a registered domain with paid hosting. A subdomain or an unregistered domain will not work. The domain you add must be connected to a valid domain registrar. Select your preferred payment method. Complete the payment process. After the payment is verified, the GoogieHost team will activate your hosting account. Once the account is activated, you will receive a confirmation email. This email will contain your login details and hosting information. If you face any issue related to GoogieHost, you can directly raise a support ticket. To raise a support ticket, simply go to the homepage and look for the Open Ticket option. Our professional technical and sales teams will review your request and provide you with a proper solution as quickly as possible. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. If you have found this helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel.